In this video, I'll show you the best free Twitter tracker for Memecoins. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Twitter trackers are a must-have when trading Memecoins. By spotting the right tweet, you can 30x or more on a trade just by sniping a tweet. When Elon Musk first tweeted Dogecoin might be my favorite cryptocurrency in 2019, if you would have made a $100 investment before that tweet, it would have brought you back $4,530. which is over a 4,000% return. And normally you would have to pay $100 or more for a premium Twitter tracker per month. But now with Axiom Pro, that is all changed. And all you have to do is sign up with Axiom Pro for free. You can do that by using the link down below in the description, which will also get you a 10% discount on your trading fees. And once you've logged in, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. And if you go right over here to the top where it says trackers and click on that, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. And right here on the right, you're going to see that you have your Twitter tracker. If you go right over here to customize feed, you can go right over here to top subscriptions, and you can start adding people that a lot of other traders are following. For example, right here, Elon Musk, definitely want to follow him. So you add him to your Twitter tracker, you just click on this button. And you can go through this list to add as many people as you want to your Twitter tracker. After you've done that, you're going to go to your list, and these are the people that you've added to your Twitter tracker. Another way that you can add people is by going right over here back to my list. And you're going to go right over here to the top where it says add handle and click on that. And right here, you can add whatever handle you want to add to your Twitter tracker. For example, let's use this. Let's say we wanted to add this guy to our Twitter tracker. We just copy his handle, add it right here, click add, and now he's also added to our Twitter tracker. You can also import a list of Twitter accounts you want to follow by simply clicking on import and pasting in the list of Twitter handles you want to follow. Now, if we just head over to Pulse, open up our Twitter tracker, we can pop that over there on the left. You'll have all of your tweets pop up here live. And when something good pops up, you can snipe it in the new pairs right over here. If you want my list of Twitter handles that I follow, I'll drop that link down below in the description where you can just copy and paste it into your Twitter tracker to get you started. And now as soon as any key player makes a tweet that can go viral, you'll be the first one to see it. You can snipe it, catch those 30x returns, and that's basically it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.